Welcome back everybody to the second part of ChemS General Assembly 2022. I hope you enjoyed yesterday. While yesterday we looked a little bit back or looked a little bit into the past and into the current status. We also saw some really nice use cases and how EMS is supporting policy decisions. Now today I'm really excited about the session here that we have prepared for you in the sessions that we have prepared for you here in the morning, because they look into the future. They we'll see first quite a few research projects that either work with EMS data or are building on some of its product, or are looking into what else could we do as an evolution of the emergency management service. And I can tell you already right from the start, I mean, we had to, unfortunately, there's only limited time for presentations, as you all know, typically when you organize meetings and conferences. So we only had the chance to invite some of them. There's many more out there. So apologies actually for those that we couldn't invite. But so this first session will be more about, as I said, a little bit the wider research also in the field of disaster risk management. Whereas then afterwards we have two really nice keynote speeches on disaster risk management and innovation in this field in general. Then we'll end off today then with a concrete look on what EMS is what we have in the pipeline, right? So for even the short and the medium term, we're already working on a lot of new evolutions. So you'll find out about all those in a bit or at the end of today. So having said that, I think I'll hand over to my colleague Thomas Kepper, who will be leading this first session. So Thomas, actually, as my colleague yesterday correctly said, the screen is yours. It's not the floor. So I hand the screen over to you, Thomas.